So before we start talking about vaping equipment, there's two styles of vaping that you need to be aware of. MTL, which is mouth to lung, and DTL, which is direct lung. So mouth to lung is ideal for beginners because it's closest to a cigarette in the way that it feels. There's a lot less vapor production and it just mimics the experience of a cigarette, so it's perfect for those trying to make the transition from smoking to vaping a lot easier. Direct lung is perfect for those who are looking for a more area experience. It's the opposite to mouth to lung in that it's a lung hit rather than a throat hit. So if you like shisha and you love loads of different flavours, then direct lung is for you. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about vaping and help you to get started yourself. If you have any questions, just comment below and we'll be happy to help you. Otherwise, you can come into one of our stores and we can give you a one-to-one session. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content like this. See you soon. Bye.